Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to GNANGSTUDIO 40. Today I bought something new, a new dual charging dock. Look at that. This is what I'm talking about. It's not a joke. And I bought this for my two amazing Xbox controller, Xbox wireless controller. Let me make the unboxing of this and get ready. Follow me. As you can see, bro, this is definitely not a joke. I have two amazing Xbox One controller, wireless controller here, and now I'm ready to unboxing this beautiful dual charging dock. Hi. This is from Dobe. Alright, now get started. Let's start by this guy. Okay? Get ready. Oh, wonderful. Let's start by this guy first. Okay? Let's do this right now. Okay, are you ready, bro? I'm ready. Look at this is his box. This box. You can see for Xbox One S, Elite, and Xbox One X. Xbox One. Okay, what you can see. Look at that. Wow. You can connect your beautiful Xbox One here, your controllers, and it's not bad. You have two beautiful batteries. You can see this. Alright, you can see quick charge 4 hours. Alright. Wonderful. Appearance. Okay, this is for Dolby. And you can see when you connect, you can see here red and red when it's charging. Okay, and you can see here dual charging dock for Xbox One S, Elite, and X. Get ready. When you turn, you have all of these informations in front of you. What is this? Look at first this. You can see dual charging dock. Okay, this charging dock design to charge two Xbox One. Okay, wonderful. You can see LED charging indicator. Okay, you can see always. Let's go to see your feature. Look at our product features. You have first with two batteries, and each battery capacity is 1200 milliampere. Use intelligent micro secure management control technology. More than 90% high efficiency conversion. Charge two dedicated battery package of two Xbox One controllers at the same time. Unique structure with beautiful looking that. Okay, you can read low standby powered. Okay, consumer technology. As you can see, when is green is charged. Okay. Wonderful. You can see more information about this. Now I'm ready for the unboxing. Get ready for that. What can I do now? Okay, let's go to the unboxing right now. And right here. Let's do it. Oh, what are you doing? What? Be careful. Alright. Oh. Okay. It's broken. Okay, let me open this. And what? This also. Okay, great. Now is here. What is on this sachet? Alright. Let me open this. Okay. Beautiful. For the first. And okay, I took the first, and the second, and what a battery. Ha! And what again, what the second battery. Woohoo! And what inside? Nothing. Okay, thank you. Now what can I do? I have the battery here. The battery. The first battery. Look at that. What is this? Is a battery? Yeah. You can see, you can connect the USB cable here to charge also. Wonderful. Okay, not bad. Now let's see the milliampere. You can see 1200 milliampere battery capacity. Also that is good. Now let's open the second battery. Okay, open. Okay, look at, and look at also this 1200 milliampere also for Xbox One S, X and X. Okay. I know. All right. I don't know if it's working, but I will test this. Now, let's unbox another one. Like what? Like this. Oh, look at that. There's sticker here. Look at that. Open this. And what inside? What is this? Woohoo! This is new. This is not a joke. Woo! This is definitely not a joke, bro. Look at that. This is definitely not a joke. What is this? Okay, and you have something like that. Look at that. You can put your beautiful phone here. Okay, here. Wonderful. To charge. What is this? Look at under. Okay. I see something. Dual charging dock. Look at. What? You have the cable, USB cable. The battery, two beautiful batteries. More information about this guy. I'm ready. Look at that. You can see project features. Okay. You can see here charging indicator, logo indicator, charging port. Okay, thank you. When it turn, you have how to use. You can see this dual charging dock is available for charging two Xbox One S, Elite and X. And you have also another information for you. Alright, thank you. The voltage, another. You can see battery charging time 4 hours. What is this? 4 hours to charging this? Are you kidding me? What was with you? Okay. Now let's go. All right. What can I do? I can remove this thing. Remove this. And what? Look at the sachet. What is this? Another sachet. Oh no. And you can remove this thing quickly. Wonderful. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, it's so beautiful. Like Jesus. Ay. Look at this, is like a car. Look, this is like a car, bro. What is this? What is so nice? It's so amazing. Ay. Alright. Look at here now. You have a USB port. And when you turn, you have this information. You have dual charging dock and the same information. But you know, this is not a joke. It's good, working, and you can put this like that in this table. Look at, no move. Look at that. Woohoo! What's wrong with you? And this, okay. I think that is not heavy. Okay, I will test this right now. Now, it's not finished. You have something special also, the beautiful USB cable. Now, let's remove this guy. Okay? Remove this. Wonderful. Do something like that. Okay? Beautiful. What can I do now? Look at this size. Okay. What can I do? You need to connect to the charger and do what you want. I think that I will make a test after. Okay, a test of this thing to see if it's working very well. Okay, I will try this after.